So while you're all doing that, I'm going to introduce our first opening remarks speaker, Cindy Montanez, who is the Chief Executive Officer for Tree People, which I am finding is an incredible organization. I've been working with them now for several months. Cindy's interest in soils is, I am interested in soil because it is one of the most critical nature-based solutions for the climate crisis. So again, Cindy, you have 5 minutes and take it away.
Okay, great. Well, good morning and good afternoon to everybody. Again, I'm Cindy Montanez, CEO of Tree People. Welcome to Tree People's Los Angeles Urban Soil Symposium. We literally have hundreds of people from coast to coast participating today, so it's going to be an amazing day. A little bit about Tree People. So Tree People has become the largest environmental movement in Los Angeles, reaching out across the globe. Our mission is to inspire, engage, and support people to take personal responsibility and action for the urban environment. And we share our process as a model for the world. Tree People has been transforming the landscape of our urban environment, our surrounding mountains, our local forest. You will see us in our green Tree People t-shirts working day after day with tens of thousands of volunteers to make communities greener and more climate resilient through the simple act of getting our hands in the dirt and planting a tree. We have engaged more than 3 million people in planting and caring for countless trees, and we are witnessing record numbers of people joining our volunteer efforts. Just 2 days ago, we had a volunteer summit which attracted over 1,000 people ready to take action in their communities. We believe everyone is Tree People, and we invite you to join our movement. We all know the changing climate is causing historic droughts, devastating wildfires, extreme heat, the death of millions of trees, billions of dollars in property damage, and is now the #1 public health threat. Fortunately, in California, we have set ambitious targets to reduce the effects of climate change by reducing 1990 levels by 2050. 2 years ago, former Governor Jerry Brown signed an executive order setting a state goal to also reach greenhouse gas neutrality by no later than 2040 and maintain net negative greenhouse gas emissions thereafter. This is important because the achievement of carbon neutrality will require both significant reductions in carbon pollution and the removal of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, including sequestration in forests, soils, and other natural landscapes. We at Tree People believe that we can achieve these goals by making the right policy changes and investments and engaging people to be part of the solution by turning their lawns to landscapes at their homes, their parks, schools, streets, and neighborhoods. Land-based carbon sequestration projects can have a significant positive benefit in helping communities be healthier and climate resilient. Forest management, mountain restoration, wetlands restoration, and as you will hear about today, healthy urban soil are key to protecting the public health and communities across the globe from the increasing impacts of extreme heat, wildfires.
Cindy, I think you are frozen. Okay, go ahead. You're back now.
So through this process of what we've been doing to adopt a more comprehensive approach to green infrastructure, stormwater capture, and community-centered resilience, we have learned that below the billions of square feet of concrete and other impermeable surfaces that cover our urban communities lies the soil that is the foundation for our trees, water, and community resilience. To better understand our environment from above ground to below ground. And the more we dig, the more we love dirt, and the more we want to study it. So a very special thank you to our founder, Andy Lipkis, who you will hear from later today, and our funder, Accelerating Climate Resilience in LA, a sponsored project of Rockefeller Philanthropy Advisors.